Hello, welcome back to the channel, and thank you for tuning in today. So basically what I'm going to be doing today on this nice spring morning, it's a little windy, a little cool. It's a good Friday here just before Easter. But hey guys, so what we're going to do is the daffodils have already done their thing for this year, and so what we're going to do is we're going to thin them out, and we're going to take and transplant some of the bulbs to places that really need to be revitalized. So stay tuned here as we dig some of these up and enjoy what God has in store for us. So what we have to do is we have to basically find where the daffodils, we want to keep all the green on and let this green die back naturally once we get it transplanted. We have to find out where all these bulbs are at so we know where to dig. So I can see here's a big clump, and it's basically I planted it back a few years ago in a row. So we'll just take the shovel here and work on pulling up a nice sized clump. Have to be pretty careful not to cut the bulbs, and also be careful not to break the shovel. Thank you, Moose. Thanks for the help, buddy. So as you can see there, we come out with several really nice bulbs. So what we'll basically do is when we transplant these, we'll take about 3, 4, 5 bulbs, put it in each hole that we create. Hey there, Moosey. Thanks for the help, buddy. Yep, here's another good clump. Yep, look at that big clump. Probably got 1.5 dozen bulbs. As we can see right here, here is one clump that we dug out of the ground, and as we start separating it, you can see there's literally dozens of bulbs in this one clump. So it takes quite some doing to get these apart without tearing them up. So it's just a matter of fact of just working it and gradually pulling it apart, shaking them, and getting a new bunch of 3 to 5 bulbs together to put in each hole. Okay, so what we're going to do here is I've got to actually make the hole to put the bulbs in. So I've got 2 different bunches I'm going to put here. So I took one of the bunches that we dug up earlier, and as you can see, I've got about 5 good bulbs here. Yeah, how you like that, Rosie? Don't eat those. Those are very poisonous to dogs and animals. And then I've got another bunch here, as you can see, another 4 or 5 different bulbs. So a lot of people like to use different type of tools to do different things. You can dig with this, but when you're digging a good 6-inch hole to put daffodils in, I personally like to use postal diggers. A little unorthodox, but it works great. That way I can control the dig. It gives plenty of bulb room, and I can gauge the depth really nicely. So we grab the bulbs, and again, you want to put them about the depth that they came out. So in this case, they were a good 6 inches deep. Put the dirt back around, pack it in, pull the mulch back around it, and that's it, folks. Pretty simple. Do this multiple times. I've already done several, and let this die back naturally for this season. Well, folks, thanks for joining us today. It's been a great Good Friday here in the spring, just before Easter. And we've had an opportunity to redistribute a number of daffodil bulbs. We kind of figured out that we've messed with roughly 800 bulbs today, and one bunch had 78 bulbs alone. So thanks for tuning in, and if you haven't had a chance to, please subscribe to the channel.